Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Calendar with Zapier, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to zapier.com. Log in to your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once you're logged in, locate the Make a Zap button on the dashboard and click on it. In the trigger search bar, type Google Calendar and select it from the drop-down list. Choose a specific trigger event, such as new event or event start. Click on the Continue button after selecting your trigger event. Next, you will need to connect your Google Calendar account. Click on the Sign in to Google Calendar button. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. If prompted, grant Zapier the necessary permissions to access your Google. Once authorized, return to the Zapier interface. Select the Google Calendar you want to use from the drop-down menu. Click Continue to proceed to the test step. Zapier will now test your connection to Google Calendar. If the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Continue again to finalize the trigger setup. You can now move on to set up the action step in your Zap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.